Hi there, thank you for coming back to watch this video. Prepping a more Ortiz aka Reaper 61. Welcome back, hope everybody is doing great and God bless you all. Today we're here to talk about an important subject and the video is going to be a little bit short and sweet, to the point, okay? We're going to be talking about Sillcock keys, okay? And those are these two little beauties right here. I'll be putting in a second a couple of pictures so that you can see them better. What are these for? In case of an emergency or in case of a disaster. Most likely you live downtown or near an industrial commercial site. If you look at the buildings, they always have water faucets all around the place, but none with the top. So that way you cannot open and take the water, the building's water. Well, this is where these little poppies comes in place. All right, it's about 10 different sizes. Okay, between two we got about 10, 8 to 10 because the center counts too. And basically with these you'll be able to open up the faucet and just put it in the spigot in the faucet, and they work out like a champ. In case of an emergency or a disaster, if you're out of your house, all right, with your bag, your survival bag, and you need to water, or because you run out of it, these are great. Even though the flow of water might be cut off from the main city flow of resources, there might still be water in that line. You'll be able to fill up bottles or whatever.
And as you can see, you just insert the key right where the valve goes and you open it, and there's your water coming out. This one has an automatic connector, but you can do it on top. And as you can see here, this is an 11 tips key, so you can get those too.
Do me a favor, don't drink the water straight from there because God knows how long it's been in the pipe. So use some sort of chlorine tablets or some sort of a chemical to clean it up, and make sure that you heat up the water to kill any bacteria that is in it. But again, you'll be able to refill your bottles, and that's the important thing. Okay? Any questions? Put out in the description below. These things are very inexpensive. We're looking anywhere from $6 to $13 for a 2-pack. All right. Make sure that you have one of each in every backpack that you have, including the one at work, or if you have an EDC bag. EDC stands for everyday carry, which is basically the stuff that you carry with you when you go out to work or outside the house. All right. Thank you for your attention. Prepping and more here for you with all these tips. Ortiz aka Reaper 61. God bless you. God bless America. And remember, never quit. Regardless of the circumstance, never quit. I don't care if it's a sickness or if it's a situation you're in, there's always an option, there's always a solution. But it's up to you to decide what you want to do. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed the video. And again, God bless America.